Assalamu alaikum, my children, and a very good morning to all of you. Myself, Ambal Lateef, and here I am with the new topic of the same chapter fraction. As you can see, it's present on your screen. We are going to cover two topics basically, but in the first video, we are going to cover only converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. My children, both of these two topics are connected with the same topic, but I'm going to break this so that you can understand it easily. In lecture number A, we are going to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, and in lecture number B, we are going to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let's move forward. In your previous lecture, you have already learned that what are proper fraction and what are improper fraction, and what exactly the connection is between the improper fraction and the mixed fraction. So first of all, we are going to revise that and then we will start our conversion. Over here, the improper fraction is the numerator of an improper fraction is equals to or greater than its denominator. As you can see, I have shared some of the examples over here. Improper fraction is a fraction in which your numerator is bigger, greater than your denominator, or it will be equals to your denominator. For example, 4 upon 4 or 5 upon 3. On the other hand, mixed fraction is a combination of two types of numbers, a whole number and a proper fraction. Or you can, in other words, you can say that mixed fraction is a mixture of a whole part, whole means complete part, and a proper fraction. Fraction means incomplete part. It means when you are writing the mixed fraction, you will observe two types of things over here. The whole part, the whole number, which is representing by 2 over here, and the other one is fractional part, means incomplete part, which is always a proper fraction. Have you remember what is the proper fraction? Proper fraction means the numerator will be smaller than the denominator. It is illustrated by the diagram also, which is present over here. I have ordered three pizzas of the same sizes and then equally distributed among 4 people. That's why these 3 pizzas are equally divided into 4 slices. Out of these 3, 2 of them are completely eaten. That's why they are representing as a whole. It means one whole pizza divided into 4 equal parts, and those 4 equal slices are eaten. Other pizza is also divided into 4 equal slices, and that is also completely eaten. It means 1 plus 1 will be 2. That means 2 whole pizzas are completely eaten. But the third one was not completely eaten. Only the quarter part of that is eaten. That's why your proper fraction is 1 upon 4 over here. So, concludingly, your mixed fraction is 2 whole 1 upon 4. Up till here, we have learned in our previous lecture. Now, moving towards forward, today we are going to learn that how the mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. Because in your previous lecture, I already told you that there is a strong relationship between mixed number and an improper fraction. So one by one, we are going to learn today that what is that relation. Over here, I have taken an example 2 whole 1 upon 3, and I'm going to convert this 2 whole 1 upon 3 into improper fraction. The steps which I'm going to explain you today, by following those steps, you can easily convert mixed number into improper fraction and then improper fraction back to mixed fraction. So focus over here that step number 1 is that multiply the whole number by the denominator of the proper fraction. So this is my whole number 2 and 3 is the denominator of the proper fraction. So 3 is going to multiply with 2 as I have written it over here. 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. By following the first step, I got 6 over here. It means multiplying the whole number and the denominator. 2 multiplied by 3, my answer is 6. Now, the step number 2 is add the numerator of the proper fraction to it. It means numerator of the proper fraction. My numerator is 1. This one is going to add in this sum, means 6. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. Last step number 3 is put the new numerator over the denominator. Why I am saying that it's a new numerator? Because I got this by adding 6 into 1. That's why you will not be writing the old numerator, that was 1. You are going to write down now new numerator, that is 7 on the numerator's placement, and the denominator will be same, that means 3. So 2 whole 1 upon 3 is going to be converted into improper fraction 7 upon 3. Means your numerator is bigger than your denominator. This is the proper way of converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. I'm going to repeat the step again. Whole part over here is 2 and the proper fraction is 1 upon 3. For converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to follow some steps. In that series, the first step is that the whole part is going to multiply with your denominator. So 3 2s are 6 I got. Then the 6 is going to be added in the previous numerator, that means 1. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. After that, in the last step, you will place the numbers on their placements. That means new numerator will be on the numerator's placement and the denominator will be same. That means 3. So the improper fraction for this mixed fraction will be 7 upon 3. Let us consider one more example by following the same steps. First, I am going to multiply my whole number with the denominator. So 10 2s are 20, and then this denominator is going to add in the numerator, means 3. So 20 plus 3 will be 23. So on the numerator's placement, new numerator, that means 23 will be written and the denominator will be same. In this way, mixed fraction can easily convert it into improper fraction. This was your mixed fraction, 2 whole 3 upon 10 after converting into improper fraction. Now your final result is 23 upon 10. I'm going to explain you more on the whiteboard. You can watch that video as well, and then I'm going to upload the reference video as well so that you can understand easily. After watching all these videos, you have to do your assignment, and in your countdown also the same explanation is present. So kindly go through that, go through your pages number, in your countdown page number 60. You can consider that page also so that you can do more practice. Best of luck, my children.